So it is going on 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I just now waking up. I gotta go pick up the kids. Y'all, it is so hard. So I gotta get up, get the kids, get them situated back home. I am off today, so I promised them that I was gonna take them to the beach. So I will see y'all in a bit.
The enemy came up against your character. You will win, win. You will win, win. The enemy came up against your health. The enemy came up against your finances. Came up against your vision. The enemy came up against your business. You will win, win. You will win. Yes, you will. Oh, you will win. I wanna let you know today that you will win. Hey, yeah. Up against your home. The enemy came up against your children. The enemy came up against your name. The enemy came up against your character. You will win, win. You will came up against your health. The enemy.
Alright, everybody, so now we're back home. Everybody is gonna take a shower, eat, and go to bed. So that's all we did for today. I took them to the beach. Just go hop in the shower. So, yeah. So that's what they're gonna do. They're gonna hop in the shower. After them, I'm gonna hop in there because I feel itchy and dirty. And we gotta go to bed.